And that resources have been written. A massive protest.
My Nigeria don't bring no boga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. They don't catch some INEC officials then with result sheet where they don't record already for inside the E8 form, and this begin happen for Ogori 4 inside Ogori Magogo local government area, and the result we say they don't record. They record them in favor of All Progressive Congress for inside Kogi State on Saturday, November 11, 2023.
Open it, see. You can see that there's the result is, look at who wrote those ink on it. How did it get there? Why is INEC compromised? This is an election. We've not started an election. It's supposed to be blank. And see, this election cannot hold. We cannot accept it.
Some Omila boys that don't come bust enter inside one secretariat of National Union of Journalists for inside local Kogi State capital on Saturday, November 11, 2023. As Omila boys them come carry their cars and Okada them, they enter them before security them come pursue them, take come out. The people Democratic Party governorship candidate wey be Dino Milai don't cry out loud as in con dey talk say INEC officials them say they carry result sheet wey they don already record come there. Say this one come show say PC they plan to rig the election. As in con dey talk say plenty people they say they don dey protest to make sure say this kind of thing no go happen, and the area there where this begin happen na Ogori Mangogo local government area of Kogi State on top the governorship election wey happen on Saturday, November 11, 2023.
To show agents result sheets, and that result sheets have been written. There's a massive protest in all polling units in Ogori Magongo local government of Kogi State right now.
This is happening live in Magongo. This is the RAC Center in Magongo, Ogori Magongo local government, Kogi State. The election taking place on 11th of 11, 2020.
One man will be supporter of APC for inside Kogi State wey name be Umoro Agabidu. Army don come shoot and take fight after only go the polling unit wey dey for inside Agala, Ogune and Yegba Adekina local government area of Kogi State. He come go snatch ballot box during wey be say people that dey vote. Na so Nigerian army come shoot am take brutalize. Security operatives them on Saturday, November 11, 2023 don't arrest one local government chairman for that Igalamela local government area of Kogi State, and the name of the chairman is James Onoja, with thugs them we be say in carry as they can carry plenty bullets and guns them, and also plenty money where they put for inside Ghana must go. The governorship candidate of All Progressive Congress on Saturday will be November 11, 2023, wey name be Timi Praise Silva, don come dey complain say INEC no gree upload voters registration from the polling unit for in ward wey dey for inside Akpoma Brass local government area of Bayelsa State. Suspected gunmen dem don come burst enter inside one polling unit of All Saint Anglican Cathedral as they come attack people there wey be say they carry money they go dey buy vote to. Come carry the money about 1.5 million naira where they want use to they buy vote for there. As they come they shoot gun up and down, we make people come run, enter scatter, and they reach about 10 gunmen there we boss enter inside the polling unit. Plenty voters them don't come they complain during the governorship election for inside Imo State as they come they talk. Say they not allow them they vote to, and now they call up police officers there with their DPO. Now talk say they not go vote unless say they go give them money before they go vote.
The police people didn't want us to go and vote. We will be standing here for past 1 hour with our members. The DPO said that we must pay him before we go.
NSCDC officials don't accuse one politician wey name be Chinasa Nwaneri say because in carry Omila talks to come scatter the place where they vote to, and also one other inspector he call about police he follow the way that they popularly call kill and bury as they scatter the election way that they do for inside Obinocha inquiry for inside Ikure local government area of Imo State on Saturday, November 11, 2023.
Chinasa Nwaneri was inside armor tank, sent kill and bury with his men to come here and destroy this place.
I saw Chinasa in company of Nnamdi come here with over 20 men wearing army uniform. I also saw a group of police officers who I identified by one man they call Kill and Bury.
Police don't come arrest one lady wey go break one Uber driver glass motor say because the Uber driver wey she enter no get air condition. As Ikoloba police wan try take arrest her, na so she come dey fight back. Ikoloba police wey make dem come dey drag her, say dem must carry her take go police station. And this gbege happen on Friday, November 10, 2023.
What kind of drug na dey take? See as dem break the guy windscreen because say the guy no get AC for him driver. See wetin they do the guy. See wetin they do the man. They say the man thief their phone. We come search their bag. We see the phone for inside.
The former Super Eagles goalkeeper wey name be Vincent Iyama don come receive honorary doctorate award from the University of Uyo, Akwa Ibom State on Saturday, November 11, 2023. Also, the ogbonge skit maker wey be Adebowale Adedayo wey name be Mr. Macaroni don come still receive im own honorary doctorate award from University of Ibadan, Oyo State on November 11, 2023 on Saturday.
Bishop Music Club. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.